Welcome back to my channel. I am Debbie. Today I have an unboxing from Paintsomeway and wanted to thank Paintsomeway for sending this to me. I really do appreciate it. And I also have a finish of this as well. So you will see the unboxing and a finish all on the same video, which is quite unusual for me. But I had the time, I wanted to do it, and it turned out really cute. So let me get this off. Sorry for the crinkling. I've been wanting to order one of these for a while and just have not done it. So I was excited to do that. I think everything, yes, everything is inside. Okay, this is going to be really pretty. It is a very colorful tree, but it is also one of those box containers. It can go into on top of okay, this is a container. It can go in one of the Kallax units from IKEA, or it can go in any of the cubicle containers that you may have. And it can also just go on a shelf. I thought that this was really pretty. They also give you a sturdy bottom to put on this. So this is a partial because you do not diamond paint all of this. They've got this on here really good, which is a good thing, but I want to get this open so I can see. I can't even tell. Maybe it's wrapped around here. Let's see. This is on here really tight. There's not a place to tear this. I am going to start working on this, so I don't mind tearing this. I don't know if I would suggest that you do that, but yeah, it is sealed on here. There's nothing on the other side. I'm going to have to be really, really careful doing this. The plastic was basically sealed on here. It didn't hurt any of this. I'm going to have to get some scissors and get some of this off, but I am going to do this next. And so it's not going to take me very long, probably a couple of hours to do this at the most. So I will work on this and not have to worry about covering it back up. If I need to, I have release paper, and I will just use release paper to go ahead and cover this. This is extremely sticky. If you can look at this, you can see how shiny that is? That's not paper, that is glue. So I am going to have to really be careful with this. It does not go over, however, on the material. The plastic where you're not going to actually diamond paint does not go over into there. And with this, because I am going to be using this and putting this in my craft room, I will eventually seal it. It won't be sealed for this particular video, but it will be sealed more than likely because I'm afraid that the diamonds are going to fall off. But let's take a look and see what they have given us. For the toolkit, we have just a basic toolkit. We have a pen. We have plastic tweezers, and these I think are hard to use because they are plastic. And we do have a tray and then a plate of wax. And the drills for this, the reason why they gave us tweezers is these are special drills. They are rhinestones, and then they also include some of what I like to call teardrops. There are 12 colors. And for this, I find interesting, they actually, I guess they do this because you do not have a schematic on the box, because that would show. So you don't want that even on the back. But they give you this. This has 12 different special drills on here. It does not give you any of the DMC numbers. I don't usually keep these anyway. If I can see this and I can determine on these what the drill number, DMC number is, then I will use that and put them away. But I'm not going to fuss with trying to determine what colors that these go with. Most of the time I can usually tell. They're similar to what you normally receive in discount companies. But this is going to be really pretty. There's some silver in there. There's some reds, ruby reds, some pinks. And then you have some greens, black. That looks to be 310. Some purple, some dark blue, some gold. I really like these. To me, they look like buttons. They're larger and they have a green and bluish tint to them. Then we have these little teardrops that have some purple. If you turn it different ways in the light, you see different colors. That's more blues, and then we have some clear. But I am going to be working on this, and I will let you know about how long that it takes. I'm also going to put this in my craft room on one of my shelves, and then I'm going to show you what that looks like. You do not do anything else with the back. It is just plastic on there, and then you just will raise the box up, put your insert in, and you will have a really pretty box to put other crafts in. So I will be back when I finish this and we will see what it looks like. Okay, I am back with my finish. I think this turned out really pretty. I love all of the bright, vivid colors. It's going to work out great in my craft room. And so now all that I have to do is open this container here. And I'm going to put this inside. It came with it, so that makes the box sturdy. And then scoot it back this way, and that is what it's going to look like when it's on my shelf. So I can turn it this way a little bit, but I love how this turned out. I love all of the colors in this, all of the special drills. It only took a couple of hours to diamond paint, and I had a lot of drills left over, so that was really nice. Paintsomeway has this particular design as well as 3 others on their site, and the price was $13.99 US. I don't know anything about their shipping, how much that would cost. I know the more that you purchase, that you do get some either a percentage off or they give you a free item. A lot of times they'll have buy 3 get 1 free, but I will put the link below for this particular product. But I really do like it. I may go ahead and order another one that is a different design, and that way I can have 2 downstairs in my craft room. This will be really nice to put some of my small items in for diamond painting, such as a tray. Some of my wax could go in there. That would be a perfect size to put in this cute little container. Thanks so much for joining me today, and until next time, happy diamond painting. Bye.